You know
Because
why?
le batho ba-
Because batho ba nagana o role stripper or tsa go robala le banna bao.
So guy a ka dumela.
I get we don't even know.
A ka dumela guy gore re dire le gore ke a lwala. Guy ke motho le re wa check.
If I'm being honest, like but they're not certain. Yeah,
Nna, wa bona le sepetlele?
banna. They think or have a one only busy. If you're willing to allow another man down there,
Banana re
Like,
robalane.
go.
Shame.
That's what I thought. Like, I was like, oh my God.
if
what's
a
happening
random guy
here?
can lick you, then like
And then she came close.
Wa bona le my previous relationship, the guy that I was crying on TikTok, le ge be ba bolele ba go botsa re wola banneng
oh man.
le ge ba mmotsa ba re ke sefebe mothola ma ba re kang ba mmotsa each and everything fapana le ngwanola a re ngwanola ka mokgo lena le mo bolelang le bonang a le motsebe mothola tša banna se tša gagwe because ba ke kgona go robala phone ke ishe mola a searcha re o tlo kry something next angushisha so ko tshwana le ela most of the time wa check ge re dutse kry re le kgone let's do it re check re sharp simple angushisha that's why a kgona gore a dire bana le ena go bontša gore wa o nyaka gore nna le ena because o boletše part ya gore I was looking forward to have a baby with you ne even though people will talk be ke sena taba be ke tlo go amogela the way o leng ka gona but if you are willing to change let it be
Okay, so ke a kgolla go utlwile kaofela gore she wants to change and she is willing to change again. It's her decision. Ha ona motho o forcing again.
no
You're not changing for your man
no
because he can leave you anytime.
yeah wa ke change
Those ones.
You
I
are
ke change le
men
defense
hate us.
You are also
and
not
maybe I'm not
changing
doing
for-
yeah ke dire le lena favor but
You are doing
nna ke
this
a
for
di direla
yourself.
ya nna beng gore ke nyoko ba byang ga botsebotse
because kwena
because
way
a ke
right now.
kgatlhelele ke go yo bophelo
Re na go kgatlherela and
bophelo
and also a
Because
disclaimer
Gona
Jonine.
ga go no ba next because we
Exactly.
can
And
say do it
bophelo
for
ke
us. How
second.
tswa monyako mona o change gona ke gona ba salang re le embarrassed.
Exactly. And again, like I said, I took a risk. Ge ke go ala gore o tle moki, you know? Because ba bangwe ba sa kwatile. Ba bangwe a ke re re bone video la but now at least ba
At
ba
least
tlo
se go
tseba.
utlwe, eh.
Akere. So nto ke tshama bolela young Zot I mean Chanel, sorry. Nto ke tshama bolela ko gore if we ikemišeditše go change o tlo re go boa mo studiong tšatši le go boang maybe mengwaga e tlang maybe mola the reality watch o tla bona le a testimony
Amen.
no ke mafelelong Zodwa like I ke nyako kwa batho ba mpotsa di-story ka wena because now you know gore ke a homola nna e be like ke address anything ke no bana status ka re tu ka tswa dilong but now no you know why because o ka se re motho a tlile go wena a lla le wena wa lla le ena a fetša a buelela kua I did understand where she was coming from but was it worth it you know gonne bana ba bantšhi tlalane ba e leng gore a ba reke di-cosmetic gonne bana ba bantšhi ba e leng gore they come from a poor background but ga ba rekiše mebele do you understand re ka mo understanda go ngwe re ka se mo understande gore re nka mmotša gorena wena o palediša ke eng gore o tshwane le bana ba le ba bangwe you know because go rekiša mmele it's not a solution young Zodwa is a brand she's capable
still
of
young.
doing anything wang understand she's still young
And beautiful.
o na le bright future wang understand
bold.
so he ke bona di-status o posta lo tse so deep down ke tlo ba disappointed but I'm not gonna address them you know why because I'm not authorized to do that I'm not your family member I'm not your sister nkare ke mo advisor unroga or maybe I'm poster na I'm a
Yeah,
private person
right,
I'm poster unroga dira 1 2 3 wang understand so ke reframe go bolela dilo tse dintši so now I'm saying young Zodwa you came here to clarify everything. You came here to plead with people, to plead with everyone. O leng gore o tla ba go lebeletše gore ba go fe a second chance. Yes, you do deserve a second chance. Ka moka re ba etsa dibe gare nga lefatshe le. Le nna I'm not perfect. I do have my own flaws. Wang understand? Hence we always ask God for forgiveness. Wang understand? Nto ke tshame bolela ko gore we now so re tswalla everything. You are starting over. If you still have those accounts ka maina bo Mazingelela, bo Young Zodwa, ba ska di follower ba ba yemi until we change our ngwala Chanel. Your real name is Chanel. You have a very beautiful name.
But let's not change Mazingelela.
Oh, Mazingelela ke leina la hao, right? You can also use
Because
Mazingelela
if we change that name, but wakasavale.
no.
But now because it's a brand,
Yes,
if Mazingelela,
not Young Zodwa, wana lela Young Zodwa.
Young
No.
Zodwa,
Mazingelela, it's more like
But
a
Mazingelele, yes, it was a song, but I wanna use it for
a brand.
yeah, or level to her.
And it
Mazingelele's
defines you.
beauty salon. That Mazingelele, it over. Yeah.
Okay, so re cancela Young
Young
Zodwa,
Zodwa.
right? And ke kwa ngwanyana o sa tswa fetsa bolela le ena o boletse a re o sa need video. Tell them to delete those videos.
You don't
No,
need
but
them
re ka se
anymore.
ba gapeletse.
No, just tell them. If they don't delete,
Address.
it's up to them. But if ke batho ba hao ba ile hore wa ba tseba ba o rata, they will delete them. But tell them to delete those videos. As well, wena o di delete di video tsa hao tsa mapono whatever. Ho poster apara diaparo. Ba natla no mona apara bang. O kana apara the way o feel uncomfortable ka. Le no apara smart. Le no apara ga bontle. Right?
That's the
You've got a
first
bright
thing I keep
future
on
ahead of you. You are capable of doing ntongo le nngwe o e nyakang Zodwa. Don't look down on yourself because of how you look. When the billionaire out there, you even mentioned Makadzi the last time. You don't love Makadzi, ne? Because you know bullet makeup or makeup Makadzi. You do love her. Yes. You are a bride. O ka mo thaeka wa re Makadzi kopa o dira makeup.
She's from somewhere. She didn't just wake up and rise.
Yes. I know, she
She has been dancing, dusting. You can take that from her.
Look at the nepe
But
tse di botse wa
ba
posta
bangata
Facebook.
be leng
Wa
hore
dira
you
tšhelete ka
can do.
Facebook, o ka posta the video on TikTok. Like people will still follow you.
Because they don't like Young Zodwa.
They love
Ba rata
you.
wena as Chanel Mazingelele.
You have to get that in your head. People love you. They love you for you. They don't love the Young Zod. They don't even care about that. Ba bantši ba nyaka gore o
And there is nothing
change.
that you have to change about yourself.
No, don't.
The only
Don't
thing that
change
has
anything.
changed is the lifestyle.
Yeah, nothing.
That's
more,
the
nothing. You are
only
perfect.
thing. You don't have to be a goody. You are still going to be Chanel Mazinge.
If you are being, if you
one-
are
hey.
the tavern, it's okay.
It's okay. You are still
It's okay
young.
to drink alcohol.
You still live your life.
If you smoke, it's okay to smoke. It's okay to live your life. Live your life to the
way,
fullest.
but
yes. Enjoy your life. Nanga soro
Not
tshwane le nna.
ho phela
No,
bophelo
we
ba
are
di-regrets.
different.
Like you're now regretting. Close that chapter.
Close the chapter.
Because if ever you want to continue, but at the end of the day, you still have that back, the past. Close that door. Even if you have to write everything down on a plate, write it down. Write it down on top. Then go somewhere, you break it. We can even do that together when we reach home. I'm good at that. Behind the closed doors or behind what? Most ladies come to me very. Bankopela, Austelani, Reboni 1, 2, 3, Austelani this. There was even this other one who was a sex worker as well. She was like, Ausi, bophelo bo ke bophelang, ha se bophelo bo monate. She even sent me the pictures. My God. Kore, she had a beautiful body, but are ha sa ipatla. So, ntho e ke buang, ke a tseba gore na keng. E tlo thusa, like, you can even do it anywhere mo utlwang o batla, as long as you know for sure that ha ona motho a mfositseng ho tloela bophelo bona.
Yeah.
Nna ke le Chanel, I'm no longer Young Zodwa. This is me closing this chapter. People are going to love you for who you are. They are still going to, ebile o tlo thola gore you even get more support. Because hona le batswadi be leng gore they are struggling ka the version of Young Zodwa. Bana ba bona ba na le this version e Young Zodwa a nang le yona hona jwale. Because maybe ba bang ha ba kena Facebook ba sheba wena Young Zodwa, but they think gore, hey, Auswaphila o. Kanti no. She is not happy. So you close the chapter. Ba batlang ho ibula ba tlo ibula ba na le knowledge ba tseba hore ba ikenya hara eng. Hona le ba bang be leng hore they want to close as well, maar ha bana sebete sa uta podcasting. So you are not here for only you. You are here for bona kaofela. because ha se ba brave ba bangata ba tshwanang le wena.
And hence a bolela
So,
sono e nkgopotsa ba bangwe ba e leng gore ba palela ko tla di-podcasting ne. So watch this picture. Scroll at Nepecho Devon. Yeah.
Oh my God.
There are only 2.
Oh my goodness. It's so bad. And what's happened?
So this
What's
lady,
No, sometimes it doesn't need courage whatsoever.
this lady ne, e re ka tlhasetsa rena go direga eng. E banya ko tla mo podcasting go dira marriage counseling. Ka mo jore no, it's fine. O ka no tla podcasting, right? But ke nyako tseba rena o nyaka thuso ya mohuta mang from me. A re ke nyako tla le monna ka wang abuse. Ke kule botlhoka se ke mo respond. I think sale ke re ke tlo bua go yena message o rometse I think 3 weeks back if I'm not mistaken, because one thing about me, I don't tolerate abuse. Gender-based violence, I don't tolerate nonsense.
Ha ona motho a tolerate
Because ke mmotsitse question A1 and she's not the first person. Hona lo mongwe o ila o mponetsa re monna hae o mo kidnapile wa mo khiela hae mmereko. Yes, trust me. O dula Pretoria. Monna hae o mo kidnapile. Every time I am mmereko ngwa khiela. O na le bana or monna ko moholo wa mo feta. So monna o ila ra gatlana le ena a mo tshepisha le godimo le mafase. So ngwanyana can't go back home because ba gabo ba gana a tlo boa. Ba re o boa kae o tlo re segisha ka batho. The reason why I'm telling you this guy is gore ke gopela gore le mo advising. Like
Sure.
ke nyaka re tla lebelle
Ma,
di-video tse
ga advise ma.
ba
The lady.
ausi ba babedi ba ke ba babedi o mongwe o nyetswe monna hae wa mmeta like monna hae ino ba punching bag pya o mona ru jwang akere then o mongwe monna o mo khiela ya mmereko enong advice
And then family e re ha ba mo batle
wa
because
we two
o
yes
tlo swabisa lelapa. Nna
wa bobedi o nyaka counseling mara o nyaka behind doors a nya go tla on the screen or no monna wa better monna wa mpolaya
le yona e tlo ba boima because re ka o advise ka dipuo tsa manyeloi le tsa batho. Ga bua ka maleme a Baebeleng.
a re boleleng nnete.
If you are not ready hore o tswele ka ntle out of the shell o jetse batho situation e leng hore o shebane le yona ha re tlo tseba hana motho a tlo feta mo a tseba hore wena ba o khieletse ka mo not
And
unless
that's a
o tlo
great tool.
scream. You have to scream hore batho ba thola attention ya hao hore hey monna ko wa mpolaya. So how o ikwalletse ka tlung ha re tlo tseba dali, it's more like a rena power.
But if o na le access ya on text ape re bolela ka motho le gore o bile le access ya gore mphounela a re se Dolphin ape monna wa mpolaya.
Ha ke nagana
Ora
gore
gore-
o a ready.
A ready.
She's not
She's
ready.
not
Nka
ready.
se tšee founu ka go texta ke sa tsebe ntho e ke e nyakang.
Ha o nka phone o tsela o tlo tswa ka le ha a tswa mmerekong o tlo etsa plan o ithole o wetse mo or o ithole o wetse podcasting
Bona o
e
na-
nngwe
ene ba
fela.
no sa na le phone.
Yes.
Ebile batho ba ska itša
Or
wrong
go
gore
to
batho ba
police
bangwe a se ba
station,
healing.
go to social workers, go somewhere
It's
to
not
find
even about
help.
the podcast. It's no longer about the podcast.
Go kgone
It's
se
about you putting your life first. This is the reason why men take advantage of us. This is the reason why men treat us like trash. Guys, this is the reason why banna ba re abuse, banna ba rabo ka re ke rena eng.
Wa bona ha o bua ka ya banna.
Eh.
Just because eco life ke batla ho e bua. Wa bona nna tjhe wa tseba ke sebetsa ka bomme haholo. Ke tla be ke rekisa dintho tsa bomme di feminine what mona le mane. Ke rata hore ha ke bua haholo le di life tsa ka le hlakore la ka haholo 97% e ho bomme. Because ke
I'm a
mosadi.
woman, yes.
Bontate, not me saying ke a ba kwalla ka ntle.
No,
Ha ke ba kwalle ka ntle, I still have bontate be leng
Ba e leng
hore
gore
they
ba
come to me.
abuse- yo,
They
yena eo
cry.
ke kwele.
Ba batle hore ke ba thuse o setlana ke kopa o nthuse. Bontate, most people have I believe nna ke motho e leng hore ke confidential haholo when coming to business le di-client tsa ka. But o le tlalanisisa kapa o le mang o etsa business ya hao or o etsa mosebetsi wa hao le se ke podcast o thusa bomme ha se hangata bontate ba tlang ba tlo like example hona le basadi ba bang ba tlo ba negative ka yona ntho hore hobaneng o targeta bomme bla bla bla. So ebe ho ba le this other video e trenda hore hey hobaneng le ntse le rekisa di product tsena na banna ba tlo le bolaya banna lately ba ya bolaya.
Yes.
Ene ba bolaya le bana ba banyane ngwana wa 3 months monna a fihle a mo grape mono ha keta o mo grape a mo etse jwang unalive le yona fault eo e ntse le gore basadi ba le ba iphedisang ka dintho tsa bona e ntse le fault ya bona. Secondly, dintho tse ding tsa gore he banna ba etsa ke bone basadi ba bangata ba fa banna priority le matla a gore banna ba bolaya. Ebile ke botsa mosadi mong ke go gopaneng o batla go prioritize o fa banna o tshwana le ngwana ga o stoutu go ha fihla moleng ha tswa ngwana o tlo ba jwalo. Le rona re le basadi we give men the power re ba fa gore re ba tshabe
monna ke monna o tlo cheat
monna ke monna o tlo bolaya re ba file title eno gore banna ba bolaya. That's why le no re se free gore re ka jola re se free gore re ka ba rona re ka ba borona re le basadi ga ba feminine because re na le that thing ya gore men are going to kill us. Ba tlo bolaya whether o etsang kapa ha o etse eng. Ba bolaya bana ba bolaya bonkgono ba bolaya le ba Christ ha ba bolaya motho ba ne go thu motho etsa eng. So nna ke rata gore le bo make a need tloelang go prioritize ntho empe re di red flag o di bona di sa qala a o thoma o betha ka club a o fa metsi a o fufutsa go sane o tlo shapa ka phafa a o shape mmele ka ofela a na o thudisa once o bona gore this is not what I want. I'm gonna have to make a plan. Tell family, gathering, do something about it. Show this man who I didn't like that behavior. I'm not a punching bag. Jale, o fihlile di kidnapping mola. I'm not judging. O fihlile di kidnapping mola. O fihlile go mo trape because o allowile those little red flags kapa little mistakes tsa tlo e laba mistake am for packet lapa like it can never be a mistake go monna o phamiseditse letso
the minute a thoma o betha ke red flag
same as le hona ha batho ba bang ba ya dikobong ke tlo bua jalo because next sebetsa ka bomme mathata batho ke tshwara diphiri tsa batho ihle ke se ke tseditse gore motho ke comfort place ya batho so le dikobong mona na bomme ba go bala le monna a fetsa go bala le na a tshole mathago swa ntho empe ya kana o mpha dihlama le teng ha o sa mofi wa o betha still o ifa bomang he basadi tlametse ba ke ba hule dikausi e protecting le tlo gona tlo protecta bana ba lona bala ba lona no ba phela bophelo be leng gore ba phela because you as a parent ha ba gona o bumena ke tlo bua ka bomme haholo because I am a mother as long as much as ke hodisa ngwana nta wa moshimane ke mo hodisa gore be a better man ha ona mohlang ke hodisa ngwana ka gore no it's a must for you to be it's a must for you. I am a woman, it's not easy but I make sure gore ke build monna wa ka o sa no gore a bona le ha o ka ba twetsang you don't raise a hand for someone you rather just talk you rather just do this le zona ha fitla ha ka o tlo bona gore ngwana ka shem it's a darling is a gentleman. You can't even say hodiswe ke a single parent nje ya ngwana sa tsemeng little because ke go tsela ka wena baby ntse ke populate.
That's
you
why
are going to make it. You're going to be all right.
You can right now.
Yeah, I'm your mother now.
Anyway, I'll shift. Okay, before we shift our attention to Zoda again, since we are closing off, right? Guys, go botlhokwa re advise basadi ba ke. You know why? Le banna as well. Because ke advocate for basadi ba o abuse wa munno mongwe ngwala under the comment section are hey Australfin at least if advice of le ka mo banneng ho ne banna ba ileng gore ba betha ke banna ho ne banna ba ileng gore ba betha ke basadi ho ne basadi ba ile gore ba itirile dintsitsiripa ka malapeng yona mawe wa tseba jwa
I get that a lot. This is my personal phone. This is my business phone.
Yeah, yes.
So if okay, unke phone ya ka business o tlo utlwa gore like I have
ha gona banna ba ileng gore ba betha ke basadi
yes
yo Oscar nna le ke ka ibona ka kwa motho re tswa
kare market
and
just because ntate who to give provider yes ga tseba gore a man has to provide. But
generation e re
phelang ho yona no it's no longer about hore a man must. Yes, he can still do what he has to do like maybe boma 80%. Also you as a woman o tlametse ho be le something o e etsa. You wake up, that's why I look at status and I always tell people hey girl, you better rise up.
Eh, basadi
You better wake up
emelang.
and do something because the
Yes.
kidnapping tsena le di abuse tse ngata is because re kobile matsoho ha hona ntho e re e
Yes.
etsang. Re phuthile
Monna
matsoho ntse re
santse
re,
a
"Hai,
ntlhokomele,
he
monna
must,
santse a
he
dire,
must, he
ah,
must."
never.
Ko kae? Ko kae?
Anyway, yo, gape o ka
Okay.
re tsere 3 hours or 2 hours,
Jo.
2 hours, I think. Yang zota re a tswalela kere. So, first of all, ke nyaka gore o apologize to the followers tša hao. You know, ba ileng gore ba kule bohloko after bona the video, or maybe ba kule bohloko ga ba bona o sanka wa change lifestyle ya hao. Number 2, ke kgopela gore, okay, no, o ka no apologize pele gore ke nyaka o declashane.
Ke rata go kgopela tshwarelo batho ba kweleng botlhoko, batho ba ba reng ba bona di-video tsela kore ba tshola mare ba re kgopela gore le ntshwareleng, kgopela gore le mfeng another chance to fix this whole mess. I hope le tlo kry-a platform ka mo hara dipelo tša lena gore le ntshwareleng le mfeng another chance.
Okay. Number 2, as Tlalani Sisa se tša boletše gore yena ha mind ho fa di-lessons tša makeup for free. Number 1. Number 2, o tlo fa accommodation, right? Because of our accommodation. Number 3, dijo re tlo bolela ka tšona le metlhase and all that nna le yena, right? So ke thuša mohuta mo e le gore o ka ikgopela from batho ba e leng gore ba lebeletše difene tša hao, family ya hao, you know, batho ka moka. You know, bolela molaetšanyana for bona nje.
Batho ba ba gore like ba nyako thuša. If there is something you feel you can do, maybe o tseba a ke no re maybe go dira microblading, wampitša re tla ko rute o dira microblading, wa bona, or if o tseba go lokela di-eyelash wa re tla ko rute go dira di-lashes.
I was Tlalani, I think o gona wa di gona
Di-class
tsone
ba re ke di-class tsela tša
31.
Nna ke kgona everything, guys.
Okay, ka beauty or I was Tlalani.
Yeah, not me saying I'm closing doors for Anna, but ba batlang ho thusa Zodwa,
Okay.
ke a ba
Yeah.
support like 100%.
Le thušane,
Nna ke tla
right?
thusana mo ke
Mo
kgonang,
kgonang,
because ha
okay.
ke motho e leng hore vele ke na le nako
O
every
na le
now
na-
and then.
exactly,
But I
and-
promise hore ke tlo tla ke mo thusa mo ke tsebang. And then batho ba batlang ho thusa Zodwa ke o batla thuso, o kopela thuso ha e batla.
Hey, wa e kgopela, guys. Like, wa e
thuso.
kgopela.
Wa e kopela.
Like motho mo le mongwe o deserve a second chance, and ge ngwana ha re sis Dolphine ke kgopela o tla podcasting, ke kgopela batho tshwarelo gore ba tle ba kgone go no nthuša gore ke change. Ga se gore ke stripper because ke a nyaka, no, ke stripper because I can't provide for myself, I can't provide for my family. So ke a le kgopela a re mo thušeng,
Ka mokgwa
and
ba ka
also
kgonang.
le ka di-donations, if maybe ba ka mo thuša gore ba mo rekele, like o no mo rekela cosmetic, you know, le go ka mo romela
di-pads.
tšhelete le gona, guys, re tla yo nka le leboga ka maatla a re the way re hlwang re thuša batho ka gona ba tlile mo podcasting, re tsweleng pele re ba thušeng. Go just sente le R2 o e donatela motho o mongwe, modimo le legodimo le a bona gore aowa ha wa sheba o thušitše R2 is gonna make a difference in her life. So please guys, ke a le kgopela ba e leng gore le bile touched ka story sa hae, mo thušeng, mo donateleng, le mo kweleng bohloko ke ngwana wa borena. So yang sota ke mo ba ka donatang, ke nyako ngwala on the screen if ba nyako donate, but since o sa e nyaka ba fe dinamafone tša hao.
And the number jaaka ke 076 37 191.
Okay, and then ba ka o donatela kae if ba nyaka go donatela?
I can donatela redimo ga Capitec yaka ye re 22
22
54
54
68
68 sorry
51
51
35.
35. Okay. O le feel account number hae ra mo gopelela di-donations a change life ya hae, guys, especially lena bana ba borena ba o swana le bozodwa. Being a stripper is not a solution. Go to school, study, go avoida gore monna a tla o botsa mantša o tshwana le gore o ja nna o robala nna, you are my slave, I made you, and he ko makeile a ono nto ka itirang, you don't have freedom. To avoid those things, please go to school and study. Yang skolong, if o na le matsogo o filwe, o na le matsogo a go dia me makeup a go dirang ke pile for motho mo le mongwe o na le mpho mo lefaseng, moneng tlalane, she's making a living, you know, go ba a beauty
Beautician kapa beauty therapist.
Oh, beauty therapist. Look at her. She's beautiful. She's doing so well for herself. Hence, selling your soul or selling your body is not a solution. Level other alternatives. Level other alternatives before you can make that choice. Please, because re lo robala le banna bo batla ka di spirit tse di different. Banna bao batla go lo use ba bang ba sepela. Guys, let's do better. Are learning from her story. O kgethile goreng o change bophelo. I'm changing my path.
I'm changing my path.
I'm taking a different direction.
I'm taking a different direction.
I am beautiful.
I am beautiful.
I am worth it.
Worth it.
I am Mazingelela.
I am Mazingelela.
I am Chanel.
I am Chanel.
I believe in myself.
I believe
I
in
have
myself.
faith in myself.
I have faith
I
in
believe
myself.
in God.
I believe
I know
in
God is
God.
going to change my
I know
life.
God is gonna change
And
my
I'm
life.
looking forward.
And I'm looking
forward to it.
I'm looking forward to
The
it.
motivation there fell. Well, I nailed it.
You've got this.
You got this, Zodwa.
You've
You
got
got this. Abana sule no.
Got this.
You see?
Absolutely.
Rathe, like
Absolutely.
yes.
Because utotse healing.
Because it's also healing. And
Yes.
like you said, if Mudimu nto beti tlo dira go bontsha in your dream, if I saw bontsha, this was the right decision. You are changing your life. And your life will change if you believe
Amen.
gore o tlo change. It's all up to you. O ka tsama o ye di podcasting, o ka tsama o dula fase le bo Dolphin, o dula fase le bo Sesitlalane, o dula fase le di interview tse di different. But if you're not willing to change, you're not going to change. It's all up to you.
And the people mustn't feel sorry for you
Yes.
anymore. Because
E re
you've
nna
got
ke nyake
this.
batho ba mfilela sorry. I've got
You've
this.
got this.
I'm going to do
And
this.
batho ba e leng gore they're still gonna come for their own advantage.
Yes.
Know the good and the bad.
Yes.
You are going to
The
be
spirit of
right
discernment.
on the track.
When you have the spirit of discernment, you can detect if this person is the right person for me, is the right person to be in my life. If she's not the right person to be in my life, then God, bona munche.
I believe so ba bone ke nagana jwalo.
Yes.
I don't know you.
That's why
and-
I go beile ko beteng ba nya go bontsha bogolo ba hae. And we have to say thank you, God, because you saved
o sa
me.
kgone le ho ponya, girl.
Thank you, God, for saving my
O tshaba le ho
life.
ponya.
Yes, o palla
Like,
ko ponya.
imagine.
O ko re bona
Messi.
o bophelo ba hao bo fedile, ha o ne ngwana, ha o na selo, batho ba o tseba ka lena le le bad.
And Modimo
O
o
hlokofetse, a gone ba o lebala after 2 days.
change the
Modimo o
situation.
file a second chance.
O tlo ba thola bana. It's not
O tlo ba
over.
thola bana.
Until yena are it's not.
And you better book her, eh? You better book her. O tshwanetse gore mo booke gore a avoid gore they're gonna come. Temptations, they're gonna come. She's a big name. She's a brand. Ba tlo nyaka mo booka le ba ka mo ka re no stop booking me. Ba tlo nyaka mo booka because
Ba
it tla be le
tlo
Satan.
leka, yeah.
It tla be le Satan and you're not going back there.
Yeah, but
It's all
if
up to
motor like for business promotions and stuff.
Yes,
yeah,
for
I'm free
business
for that.
promotion.
And ba mo patale, please.
Yeah.
Ba o patela batho ba
Ba mo
zodwa.
Ba bangwe
patale.
no wa tla re go bjang
Mm.
as ngwako ba bangwe ba offera di-frontal a re ke tlo go romela meriri then o advertise le
Okay.
ona
It's
Okay.
good.
Okay.
Yeah.
so ba
Oh,
bangwe a
Moriri
se- yeah
okay.
na
mo
most of the
advertise, you
weavy
can
chaka
also
most of the weavy
advertise the
chaka
business.
di tswa from batho o nkwela ke o botsiša ke re ntšhela ba re keng ela ya korea what e gona
Oh,
na.
Pudo,
because there is someone
Oh.
o a nyakong go mfa di-product tša skin wa bona so le o mongwe o rile o nyako romela meriri le dieta because o rekiša dilo tseo gore ke mo advertising
Oh,
I
okay.
feel that's positive.
Yeah.
so go na le o mongwe le ena ore o dira massage ba re nka tla mo wena ke tlo go dira massage.
And batho ba ba mo bookang o lemogile gore ka moka ba mo booke related to the stripping ba mo booka because ba kgone
Batho
bona
ba
gore o na
nra-
le potential
Nna
ba
le
mo
ge
booka
mo-
because
nna le go- wa
ba
sa
mo
re le ge o
rata.
mbuka ke sa dire selo mara go no tlala.
But there's nothing
But I don't want to be
monate ka
booked ka dilo tseo.
stripping. You have nothing there ka o stripper,
But
honestly
okay,
speaking.
we can say okay, motho I'm booked just to influence to be there. But that's kana gore I'm gonna do dilo tsela nkwishishe. Le ena ga
And
ngwala.
again, ne,
Le
ebile ntho-
diaparo tse tsa ho stripper tsa
a ke sa
di crop top
di
what
apara.
she's no longer wearing them, so
Nka
it would
tla
be
ke apara
re
nice.
mo gapeletse, guys.
Re mo
Yo,
gapeletse.
nna re mo gapeletse. Nna
It's
Shaka
And
Congratulations.
wa ba
o tla
tseba batho o kry-a
podcasting.
mongwe commenta a re ba mo gapeleleditse.
Now, guys, if you don't consume my podcast, please don't comment. I hate horrible, bad comments because I'm not toxic. If
One
you
thing I
are
know-
from a toxic family, please don't come under the comment section. We are here to heal broken souls and we are here to advise each other. I'm not saying my advices are
Not
always
only-
right.
not only
That's why
her.
ke lefa the platform under the comment section or lefa the advice tsa lena. It's okay to disagree with me. Tlalane maybe o mo posheditse somewhere le nna ke mo posheditse somewhere or maybe re le posheditse somewhere but yena re boletse ka the whole situation before it tla on social media. I hate bad comments. Oh guys, hey,
always
is there
talk
anything you
anyway.
go go promote this lady since I feel mirror?
Lebelang ngwako. I would like to say thank you.
No,
Ngwako.
promote, not to say
What's
thank
her
you.
name?
Ke ngwako se.
Tlisa go thusa. Nna ke rata basadi ba winang. That's one thing about me. I love winning people.
And why when we get one botsana jwa?
And when I win, I also
and
want
the
someone close
quality.
to me to
The
win.
quality ne? Yo, e
Okay.
botsana shame.
So batho ba ko gae mona re na le Ngwako's hair and beauty. Ba re ke kgothe special. Straight hair e qala ka di 8 inch ke 580 and then 30 inches re shapa ka di inch tsela tsa o thuthumela tsa o move tsa o flower e sentho tsela tse ntseng discripoto and so on and so forth. So le ka no mo founela ko 061 672 954 or 068 191 5003 to place an order. So Ngwako, hair and beauty ke mo ba gaeso ha re yeng.
Free promo, right? Talani Sisa, you're next now.
Konje ke bua kang?
Your brand. You have to promote yourself now.
Nna ke Tlalane Sisa, ke ausi wa di skincare, ke ngwanana wa di plaka, ke ngwanana wa strata. Ke ntse ke promote di business, yes. Ke etsa dintho tse ngata guys. If una le sefahleho se bohloko se tswileng di acne, since ke lo dula le Zodo for 1 week, she's covered for now. Ka dinthonyana tse ding tse simple.
Yeah.
But mamati a ntsa buleile guys, ke kopa le mo donateleng ka hohle mo le ka kgonang e ka ba ka diaparo ka ba ka ditlhako ka ba ka anything e le nahanang go tlo e hloka in daily basis le kana lo mo fa le space sa hore ha qeta ho etsa training a tsamaye a lo iphumanela me elong go tlo kgona a itshebeletse a tsebe hore like o dula a le mola le ka mo fa material le ka mo fa di makeup kit le ka mo etsa ntho lengwe e matleng a hae as long as ana le ntho tsa tla kgona ho sebetsa ka tsona. So nna ka lebitso ke Tlalane Sisa ko TikTokong, Tlalane Sisa ko Facebook, Tlalane Sisa ko Instagram.
Okay. Wena ba go thola kae?
Nna ba ka ntšhala TikTok ka Mazingelele the influencer le ko Facebook even though ha ke busy ka yona but le ko Facebook ke Mazingelele the influencer. So I've got I can platform just TikTok, rata TikTok too much.
So guys, ke kopa tlaleletsa hape ke kopa le mbukeng mo. Ke a le kopela, kopa le mbukeng. Let's di soft glam re etsa di makeup kaofela although nna ke focus haholo ko soft glam le kana la checka di poster mono. I think le wena ona le yona ke
Yeah, mo mafelelong.
mo mafelelong ha fetsa o bona
video,
tla bona
poster ya
lebitso le
hae.
ngotseng Tlalane Sisa ke this girl.
Yes,
This
Sisa
girl.
in the flesh.
So this girl by flesh, you know.
Yes.
Today I can be broken English. I'm not saying broken
Anyway,
English.
guys,
So,
thank you so much for coming, young Zoda. I wish you all the best. I think we do believe in you. That's the reason why we did this, right?
yeah.
Please don't disappoint us. And like I said, please come back. Also, jolly right.
For the
Are
testimony.
nyake part 2 your stories
Part-
Samahloko
Jo.
again.
Jo.
We need a testimony. Like we need
Jo.
a testimony. So please come back with a testimony. I trust you're in good hands. She's gonna fix you. She's gonna fix you.
Hashem,
Yeah, wa mo feel na
this
you
is
can
a-
mo feel ka mokgwa le leng gore
the
ka mo
energy.
feel.
I don't
Yeah,
even want to lie. I
get
can't give.
sweetheart,
I can't give
man.
myself some flowers. But she's in good hands, guys.
yes,
This is
yes.
the very well built foundation because I know the path already. So hurrying.
Okay. Interview tsa rena ko e telele, and we are closing off. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you, Tlalani, for coming. And guys, I saw magapele to dira this interview. Again, I talk gore no o tla tla go interview, and mo re mo senyeleditseng gona a re tshwarele. Le lena mo re le senyeleditseng gona le re tshwarele re batho ka batho. The advice tsa ka di ka no ba di say that way, you know. And le wena if una le advice o ka ratang go mo fa yona, just write under the comment section. Re batho ka moka, we do deserve a second chance. With that said, if you'd like me to be that safe space for you, do not hesitate to contact me on these numbers below, 072-711-7917. Let me be that safe space for you. And if you happen to be in a toxic relationship, please, guys, what's can text her if you're not willing to let go? What's can text her? I don't want to be rude. That's why I ignore her. What's can text her if you're not willing to walk away from that toxic environment, to walk away from that abusive mother of you. I don't tolerate nonsense. I will never tolerate an abuser. I will never tolerate an abuser o ileng gore ga na le a backbone. The minute monna a tšea letsogo la gagwe a o beta goba mosadi a tšea letsogo la gagwe a beta monna wa hae, nto ya bontšha gore you don't have a backbone, you don't have balls. Because if you had balls, o bo tlo tseba what is right and what is wrong. Guys, it is time for us as women to stand up for ourselves. Say no to abuse, to bullying. If wa tlhapa le nna ke a tlhapa. Say no to bullying. Say no to abuse, guys. It is time for us to stand up for ourselves before it's too late. Because banna no ba bolaya basadi. Banna no ba rape bana. A lot is just happening. Anyway, have a lovely day. I do love you. I do appreciate you, and see you on the next upload. Bye.